Hi, Scott with 36 Bricks here, and we have Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. Look, check it out. So I went ahead and mocked it out. I combined a couple sets to bring this build to a full modular building. It's an awesome little set. The whole entire thing has been utterly amazing, and I love how it turned out. The front doesn't seem to be much different. However, I did make it taller. I adjusted the roof a little bit to fill it out more, and then, of course, brought it to a full building. So hope you guys like it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on 36 Bricks.